Let me click here. Tilly. What up, you guys? Am I live yet? How's it working? How's everyone doing today? G here. Let me know if the mic's coming through clearly. Hopefully I don't have the music playing in the background. Yo, we got a lot to talk about today. Live stream. Just want to hop on here, talk about stocks. Some Tesla. Well, Elon moves related to Lucid, Rivian. We do have some Polestar news too, so I want to cover some of that. But I hope everyone's doing great. I'm going to wait a little bit to see if anyone joins. And didn't really plan this one too well, but hopefully we can have a good live stream. And mainly just want to cover what Elon said in today's, I guess there was an interview or something. So I want to cover that. But yeah, do me a favor. It's just been a busy day today. So I was working, had to go do therapy, driving back, and trying to do a live stream. So just do me a favor and hit that like button for me. Just the days really feel like short days, long nights, constantly going and doing things constantly. So yeah, gonna just wait a little bit and then we can do the Lucid news. If you guys want to go over that, we can just really talk about, I mean, we could even talk about NIO. I think they announced some stuff today, and they were up like what, 16-18%. So I ended up getting some positions on that. I got puts just in the short term, bearish. But we can definitely do all that. And what else was I gonna say? Oh, we did have Polestar news. I guess we could pull that up now. It basically came through their Twitter, which if you guys aren't following them, definitely follow them out and do the little notification so you guys know when they post. But I don't know if you guys remember from last time, we were talking about that Green Hill or that Goodwood Hill little competition that they were doing. And today they basically said that they're gonna do the same thing again, but they're gonna do it with their new prototype, which is this guy here. And it's just the Polestar 5, which if you guys remember the other live stream, we covered a little bit about the patent stuff. And right there you can just basically, let me see if I can zoom in actually. Might let me zoom in. Oh, never mind. Maybe it won't let me zoom in. But anyway, I could download this or something. Oh shit, now I got this all messed up. Anyway, you guys get the point. Basically they've updated the doors to be normal, I guess. It's not the Rolls Royce, and you know what I mean, the Phantoms. So yeah, this is the Polestar news. Nothing else came from it, but I do think what Elon said kind of affects just the EVs in general. I don't know if you guys actually know Elms, which is another, I mean, just basically they filed for bankruptcy. So this is just, kind of growing concerns into just electric vehicles in general. I think there's also a few other pre-revenue companies like I'm not sure if Canoe is pre-revenue. What else is pre-revenue? There's another one, Arrival. So yeah, really just wanted to do a live stream today and talk about tons of different EVs and what do you guys see going forward. And yeah, we can definitely talk about Lucid because I don't really cover Lucid on this channel, but I know some people are kind of in the middle or either invest in both. So let me put a poll here to see if you guys invest in both or just one. Really curious to know what you guys are doing with your portfolios, investing in Lucid and Polestar. Let's just get an idea real quick. And like I said, if you guys don't mind, just help me with a like on the video. That will really help a lot. But let me post this poll for you guys. And we're going to do 3 options. We're going to do Lucid only. We'll do Polestar. Actually, we'll do 4. How about that? We'll do other. So other like Tesla, Ford. And then we'll do... I was going to say both. I was just going to say both. I'll do both. So Polestar and Lucid. And then we could just do other. I'm just curious, I don't think we'll get too many votes, honestly. We don't have many people in here, so... But I am curious to know what you guys are doing with your portfolios. So investing in Lucid or Polestar. Lucid only, Polestar only. Both or other. So I'm going to post that up there for you guys. I hope you guys vote and let me know what you guys are doing. And while you're there, help me with a like. And what else are we doing? Oh, I guess I'll plug in the Discord. We've got a few more people in there, so it's not very active, honestly. So excuse me, it's not very active, but you guys are more than welcome to join. Hopefully contribute. And I'm usually active in there. Well, I get alerts and stuff. So if you guys have questions and stuff, I try to answer them and stuff. But free Discord, I'll put that in the chat. And then we'll take a look at options as well, because we'll kind of take a look at why I got some puts for Lucid and NIO and some other place. So I'm going to post the link to Unusual Wells. If you guys want to follow along, you can make an account there. And you actually save 5%. So let me just make sure I post all that for you guys. Unusual Wells, use the link if you guys are interested in that. If you guys don't actually have access yet, definitely make a free account at least. And with that being said, let me see if we got any votes. No votes yet. Okay, no worries. So yeah, let me go ahead and we got all the spiel out of the way, I guess. And this is basically the first news, right? So we talked about the what's it called, the Goodwill or the Goodwood Hill competition, which we talked about with the is it the BTS model, the 270. They did that as a prototype, right? And just really like a concept car for the track, and now they're doing the same thing for the Polestar 5. So I don't really know the specifics on this, honestly, but it looks really neat. I think this is just a rendering though. So I did ask them when the competition is. I think it was in one of their tweets earlier. They may have deleted it. Let me see if we can go through the through my notifications. So we got some notifications because they actually replied, which was, I think, was impressive. Yeah, here we go. So they deleted the tweet, but they still have it. I said, when is the event? They said June 23rd to the 26th. And so, yeah, it should be, what, next week? Which is weird, right? Because we are doing the merger, all the meetings the 22nd. Then we got 23 to the 26th. So all weekend, well, going into the weekend, they'll be doing this little track event thing, which I'm not actually familiar with what it is. So we might need to just pull that up if you guys are interested in that. Let me see if I can, I went to their Polestar. I'm just going to straight up copy the name of this really quick. And see, it's really cool too, because they're actually already like mentioning the PSNY and the GGPI. Obviously they did it wrong. You should do the $sign if you guys want to get some clout. You'll get more attention with those, with the $sign, because the tickers are usually posted with the $sign. But let's take a look at this. And we're actually going to also add Polestar to the thing, see if we can get something. Oh, there's actually an article that came out. Polestar prototype to drive at 2022 the Goodwood Festival of Speed announced okay, so Polestar will announce it will debut the new four-door prototype at the annual hill climb event in UK on June 23rd. So this is basically what we're talking about, and like I said, they've been on this plenty of times with the prototype, and I think it's going to be pretty exciting. Hopefully we get some numbers or something like that. So right now, obviously the Polestar 5 is just a concept, but they do have production expectations by going to 2024, 2025. Hey, the homie Saul said join VGC. Here, I'm just gonna call you because I got the music on, bruh. But anyway, let me. Okay, we're gonna shift a little bit so we can give Saul one here and get him some airtime. He's been on the channel for a minute, so we're gonna let him hop on for a little bit and see what he's got to offer. What up? What up, Trippy G? Trippy G, what up? Oh no, it's just Trippy, isn't it?
Yo, what is up, guys?
What is up? Can they hear you? Can you guys hear Saul? Make sure you pull it up on the big screen, big dog, so they can see you. Can you hear it on the screen?
Alright, bam.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So right now I'm covering Polestar, really just talking about electric vehicles, man. How you feeling about electric vehicles right now? Well, let me first, hold up. First, before we start, I was just gonna say, did you hear about Elon saying Lucid and Rivian might go bankrupt? Let me just start with that first, and then we can.
No. Would you like to fill me in, or did you talk about that already?
I haven't talked about it yet. I have an article. I don't know if you want to follow along or you want. Well, actually, I can share my screen for you too. Give me 1 second. Let me go and pull that up.
Yeah, let's discuss the DD, brother.
Yes, sir, brother. Okay, Mojo. Is Mojo in here?
Is he?
I don't know. Is he? Okay, so I've shared the screen there for you, big dog. Let me know if you get it. Pull it up real quick.
Yep. I'm gonna mute myself. You do your thing. The stage is yours. I'm just gonna finish gathering the DD. Okay.
Okay, I thought you were gonna say you were gonna finish smoking, brother.
Oh no, I'm really, really gone right now already.
But what DD are you gonna present to us so what I can keep the audience, the people, so that I can keep
Oil,
them anticipate
natural,
oil?
oil, natural gas.
Okay, okay. Are you bullish? Just give us a taste, give us a teaser. What are you still gathering it? I know, but
Sure, I'll
even
send.
give us a teaser real quick or something. And I'm sure you can always chime in on some electric vehicle stuff. You're pretty good with that too, though, right?
Yeah, I have a couple words to say about that shit too.
Yes, sir. And you know what's crazy? Before I get ahead of myself,
Yeah.
and honestly, I know you're gonna do the DD on the side, but feel free to chime in on here, any of this stuff. Basically, Elon just doesn't like Lucid. He doesn't like Rivian, but he actually acknowledged Ford, which I mean, I'm not surprised, right? Because Ford's the legacy, right? So they've got tons of money. Even if they're in debt, I mean, they're not gonna go bankrupt, right? Or do you think they would? They have their legacy business, so I just think they've got a lot going on for them, right? Even if the EV stuff was not to succeed, which is not likely, they got their legacy stuff, so they got a couple years to live. Am I right? But yes, sir. I guess he's not gonna chime in on that stuff. So, do you guys? Let me just before I even move over to the Rivian stuff, and just wanted to wrap up some of this. Let's see if there's any keywords in here that you guys might want to pick up. So obviously they did the BTS edition, right? That's where from the little event there came out
Yeah,
from.
yeah. Breaking news: BTS broke up.
What is that? Breaking news already?
The,
Breaking news already, Trippy? Come on now. BTS,
the, Korean,
what's the
the
BTS?
Korean pop group.
What's the ticker symbol though? Come on now. You know we're noobs.
Oh no, this is music news in the music industry.
Come on, man. Is this stock news or is this music news? Is this Juice World news?
No,
You
it's
got sleep.
BTS.
BTS, is that what, the Chinese group or what?
The Korean. Yeah.
Oh, is it? They broke up? You know
Yeah.
what happened? They announced its hiatus to focus on solo projects. Will take a break to pursue. Oh no, that's breaking news, you guys. I thought it was a stock ticker, man. Come on now. You
Oops.
talking about Korean pop, bro? K-pop. Is this K-pop anyway? What is this? Damn, people are gonna leave the stream, man. Let me see we actually. I'm gonna check the poll real quick. You guys make sure to vote on the poll.
I'm happy about the Jow as well.
Oh yeah, dude. You know what's crazy? I'm already getting heat wave alerts. I'm getting heat wave alerts. It's gonna be tough down here in the south. Is it
Y'all gotta
southeast?
buy a generator like me.
So, and I'm honestly curious to know what you're saying. So let me pull up the map right here. So all of this southeast and is it just Texas and stuff? Is all
Everybody's
that?
affected. The
Everybody's
DD I was
affected.
gonna show is that even all other nations are affected.
Really? Outside of
Yeah.
the states?
Yeah, I sent like nations in Europe who also have poor infrastructure.
Hmm. My Wi-Fi is going out on my other laptop. You think that has to do with the heat waves?
No.
Oh, damn. It's just a bad router then, huh?
Probably an old laptop.
It is an old laptop. It's just a backup laptop. It's for work. But let me go
Bearish on
ahead. Huh? Bearish on what?
Rivian. I thought that was a squeeze play too.
Rivian?
Yeah.
No, Rivian's gonna go bankrupt. That's what they said.
Wow. Already?
Yes, sir. They're spending like billions of dollars. That's what they're saying.
Wow.
Well, being developed by RD team, research and development team. Polestar is working on a Polestar 5 to start in production in a couple years. Let's go. Okay, so basically, they didn't give us really much information on this concept car. I mean, just of what we know, it's got the solid aluminum chassis, which is down here, used bond aluminum, right, to cause, keep the car light, so for speed, horsepower, whatever, just a light framework chassis, but also kind of cut down on like parts and cut down on the process and everything like that. So that's just a technique that they're trying to develop. I don't know how far along they are on that, honestly, but it is what it is. They also do have the patents. I'm not sure if it's for some of that work, but and of course they always do the camouflage wrap as well. Non-production headlights, the significant. So that's basically everything they're talking about up here in this picture. You see how they got the headlights, the camouflage, just to kind of really hide, I guess, some of the features and stuff, which, I mean, they really need to do these, but since it's a concept drag car and stuff, I don't really think they're putting too much effort into that. But yeah, not really too much on this article. If you guys have any news on this, let me know. It's just going to be very similar to the Polestar 5 as seen in official photos. So yeah, that's it on this. Now, kind of want to talk about the big news that was on the thumbnail. Basically, Elon says Lucid and Rivian are tracking towards bankruptcy. This came out today. I don't know if it did affect the stock price for a bit, but surprisingly, it shot back up. I have puts on it for the short term. I don't really follow both of these like as a long-term project or long-term investment. I like to do some day trading, some stuff. So I think it's a good potential to trade in the downside right now, especially with the market really just not really finding a bottom, I would say. Is that right? Is that the right word? But yeah, like overvalued growth stocks right now are going to be the place you want to put some money in as far as puts and stuff, I think, in my opinion. Well, it kind of depends on what happens
gold
tomorrow.
and silver.
Gold and silver? Yeah, I think gold and silver is going to be good, but somebody was saying that it's not really going to go into, like, it's not going to really, money's not going to pile into gold and silver until, like, next year when recession really becomes a thing. Because I think recession will start in 2023.
Yeah, but I have gold going to 5K in December, and gold after that would never have a dip. Gold will be the currency in the black market when the people revolt against the decentralized currency that the government has planned, which will drive the price of gold and other precious minerals to skyrocket. What do you think about that?
Yes, sir, I agree. Sorry, I was typing some stuff up. I was just seeing if we could get some help with the algorithm, man. We need some help with the algorithm. What do you think? Smash the like button? Or even drop a like? No, not a like, a comment in the chat. Is this probably news that people don't want to hear, honestly? Like, when how true do you think Elon Musk is on this here, saying these two companies?
I believe he's very true on it.
You think so?
Yeah, because if he was telling a secret message, what would it be? There is no secret message, right?
You know what I was thinking? What if he's saying all this to kind of just like lure investors away from it? Like kind of being shady about it. What do you think about that? I'm just tinfoiling hat here. Maybe they do have good technology. Maybe they do have something, you know, maybe they are onto something, you know what I'm saying? But Elon, maybe he's a little upset. He doesn't want competition is the word. That's what I'm saying. Maybe he doesn't want the competition.
Because the manufacturers are overseas, no?
For who? For Tesla?
For Lucid, right?
Honestly, I don't know. I don't follow Lucid Rivian that well. I know Polestar, most of his stuff is done in China right now. They're trying to expand into the US, but that won't be until, you know, they get their next model out. But honestly, I don't really follow Lucid that much. I wish people would let me know, where does Lucid make their manufacturing stuff? I would think it's here, right? It might be in China. Actually, no, it is here, because I saw there's a couple people I follow that I think it's done in Arizona, right, or something like that. Because I saw some leaked pics about deliveries and stuff. There's a lot of hype around. It's in Arizona, I think, yeah. And actually, there was news that came out today that they're leasing a new building. So not everything is bad news for Lucid, and this is just like a broad scope. This is, you know, Elon saying, yo, Lucid, Rivian, and on track to bankruptcy. Not everything's bad news. I'll show you guys in a little bit. They had some good news that came out, I think, today or yesterday. I'll show you guys in a bit. But in the broader scheme of things, Elon, you know, he's just talking to these people like, yo, they need to fix up. The main thing with them is bankruptcy, and that is due to a lot of like expenses. Yeah, cut down their costs dramatically.
Elon
So
could
this is,
just be being at like honest advice anyway, you know?
it could be, yeah, or he could just not want competition. But I think regardless, these companies are going to keep doing what they're doing. The only concerning part is there's already another company that filed for bankruptcy, which is a last mile delivery van. So you know, shit's kind of starting to hit the fan, you know. So if people don't really manage their money, like that's the main thing. If people can't get funding, if they can't get their costs down, then that's when things kind of start escalating, and you know, not really bankruptcy, but it starts becoming a possibility, right? So I don't really
That's
know the management
You're
team.
collecting a lot of debt and you don't become profitable.
Say that again.
That's when you start building debt and you can no longer become profitable.
Right, right. But if they can't get the costs down, then they won't even make it to non-profitable. They'll just be bankrupt. There's the team right here, though. I don't even know these guys, to be honest. But anyway, the main thing from this article, my advice to Rivian is to cut costs immediately across the board or they are doomed. And actually, the reason that I was thinking that this could just be maybe he doesn't want competition is because one advice is he suggested that they, well, besides this, did he say this? He also commented, yeah, here it is, increase the price of their electric vehicles this year. I mean, that is really hard to do right now with inflation. People are already can't afford cars, and he's telling Rivian, yo, increase the price of your electric vehicles this year, or else you're gonna go bankrupt. And then the vice versa is if they increase their prices, then they won't be able to sell their vehicles because nobody's gonna buy them because of inflation. If they reduce the price so people can buy the cars, then they're gonna go bankrupt because they're not gonna make ends meet, basically, right? So I think
What if Elon wants to buy them out?
You think so? Well, I mean, what would they buy though? I mean, they already have their brand. Tesla
Buy
already
them
has their
out.
brand.
So Tesla can be the only like top dog in the game.
It's gonna be Tesla, Ford. Um, you know what's crazy too? I don't know if. Go ahead.
I was gonna say, you know, I wouldn't mind just having all their technology and using it on Teslas as well. You know.
I think the technology would be good for the Lucid's batteries and stuff because I don't really know Tesla's range right now. I think it's like still 300, and then Lucid's is 500, and it's like I think rated like certified and stuff, which is crazy.
Yeah, it's the best one out there.
Right, right. So you think they? I don't know, man, because I think the people that started Lucid were ex-Tesla employees, right? And they basically they beefing. I mean, they beefing. Why would they? You think he would man up? Because there's a lot of what's the word? Pride, egoism. I don't know if he would, you know, calm down and buy them up.
Yeah.
I mean, I would rather let them. Like, if I was Elon and I was spiteful, and I see the homies suffering, like Elon buy us out, and they don't like each other, he's gonna let them, you know, bankrupt. But or would it be? I don't know. It would be an alpha move if he straight up bought them too, though. You know, like yeah, I'm your daddy, basically. You know, but I don't know. There's a lot of possibilities, and obviously we don't know the future. And
This is what he does. He just buys businesses out.
yeah, have you seen that Elon meme? I think I posted it on Discord where he's got like Thanos and he's collecting all the stones. He's collecting all the companies. I'm gonna show it to you. Elon Thanos meme. Have you seen it? It's kind of funny as fuck though, actually. He's like collecting Tesla. He's collecting Twitter. Where's it at? I posted it on Twitter once. Or where did I post it? My man collecting Twitter. Let me just add Twitter on here. It's pretty funny though, I think. They took it down? No way. Okay, I have a copy though. I always keep copies on the Discord here. I keep a backup. Let's see where we at. Meme dumpster. I keep copies of this stuff because You never know when you're gonna need it, you know what I mean? Well, maybe I didn't post it in here. Oh, here it is. Elon Musk here. He's got the Twitter stone. He's got the Tesla stone. So yeah, he's gonna collect the Lucid stone, maybe a Rivian stone. What do you think?
Yeah.
Oh, look, check it out. My homie came in. He said Polestar will not go bankrupt, and Lucid either. They're backed by Saudi Arabia. They got money. Let's go. Yeah, they do got bread. That's crazy. I think though, so that's true. That's true. The only thing I
Yeah.
would say is if they want to get more bread, they would need to dilute the shareholder. So in the long term, it doesn't affect the business model, but I think it does affect the shareholder. So like right now, your share's worth 16 bucks. If they dilute like a third, your share is gonna be worth like 12. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, so I don't. Yeah, you're right though. I agree. But definitely Polestar. They can do the same thing. They can dilute people, and they've got Big Daddy Volvo. You know, so I'm not really saying like things are gonna go bankrupt. This was just a comment made by Elon. But go ahead, Trippy. You're gonna say something. Go on, King. Damn, he.
Yeah.
Wait,
Everything. Um.
oh, you straight muted. You faded, huh? You're faded right now. I was just saying, man, I've lost my thoughts. So we got obviously like I think Rivian and Lucid um are in a tough position just because of the economy. Like how do I put it? Like inflation is really like just messing up everybody. It's not just them, but for Rivian and Lucid specifically, their high-end vehicles, like their vehicles are 60, 70,000. Same thing with Polestar. The thing is they haven't like mass started producing, like they're not in the thousands like Polestar. So it's really weird that Elon didn't even mention Polestar because I'm sure he knows about Polestar. You know, like he's in like Polestar's in a Hertz commercial with Tom Brady already. I'm sure he's heard of it, and actually Polestar already shot some fire at Elon about no compromises or what no compromises, no fake promises and stuff. So I'm sure Elon's heard of Polestar, and so for him not to mention it in here is actually a really good thing, I would say. What do you guys think? The
Yeah.
homie said, plus Polestar is really shipping out cars worldwide, right? The only other EV is Tesla, so they're making money not to get some more tomorrow. Let's go. Yes, sir. That's what I was saying too. Like, I think that's maybe why Elon didn't really mention Polestar in this conversation here because Polestar's already mass producing versus Lucid, they're still trying to ramp up. Rivian's still trying to ramp up, I believe. So I think
Hey,
Lucid and Rivian. Go ahead.
do you mind clicking on the comments and seeing what the other folks are talking about?
Where at?
On top, right there in the article.
Oh, where's that at? Oh, here? This right here?
Go up a bit.
This is saying submit.
No, you missed it. Right there.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, here in the comments? Oh, alright. You go ahead and read this. I was just gonna say, it's really weird that Polestar doesn't get mentioned though. So, thoughts on Mullen? Haven't really looked at Mullen. What do you think? I know Trippy follows Mullen.
Right there in the chat.
Huh?
Damn.
What's up?
What do you think about Mark Golot?
Where does he say that? Model X days. This is crazy. Rivian has tons of money and Lucid has a very strong backer. That's true. Yes, indeed, the situations are different. So yeah, I just think they're in a tough position. Like I said, let me finish my thought here. Lucid and Rivian are in a tough position because of the economy. It's like they have high-end vehicles. Inflation is like really smashing, just killing everybody right now. And so it's just like, what do you do? Do you raise your prices and then people won't be able to afford them, or do you lower your prices and then people can't, or you don't make enough margin on them? You know, it's just like a really tough situation to be in. Like if we were in a different whole economy, then definitely they could raise their prices. They would still make their deliveries. They would still get their sales. But right now, man, like, bro, people can already barely afford to eat. Come on, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Come on now. So it's just like, just just some thoughts. But like I said, they didn't mention Polestar, and obviously I'm not talking bad about Lucid because they've got Saudi Arabia, right? And Rivian's got tons of money, I think, in cash, and Polestar. I mean, they can be done too because their technology is not the best, but they have Volvo too, and they can dilute. And the best thing with Polestar, like I said, they weren't mentioned on here, and they already mass producing, which is I think the reason they didn't mention it on here basically. So yeah, just a tough situation, and I guess the reason I was gonna say it could be concerning is because Elm's bankruptcy. There's like tons of electric vehicles that are just falling off the sky, basically. So this thing right here, this was supposed to be like the next big thing. I don't know how big of a thing it was, but electric last mile delivery solutions. This was a SPAC trading around $10. I think it's like at 50 cents now. And they don't have any more pictures. They're making me. Yeah, basically they filed for bankruptcy or earlier this week. So this is why things are actually starting to become like more realistic. You know, things are actually like it's not like the stock market only goes up and stocks. You know, business models never fail kind of vibe. You know what I'm saying? So electric last mile solutions, ELMS is what the company's called, will liquidate its assets via a Chapter 7 bankruptcy process. And basically the reason they did this is because they couldn't get enough money. Basically, the CEO or the founders, they freaking dipped. Like back in February, there was an investigation on it, whatever. People were still screwed, the investors. And then whoever was still left in the company, they couldn't find any more funding, no more money. So they had to close up shop, basically. Let me see. Do you have any thoughts on Mullen? So that's basically like another concern is what I'm saying though. So just, I'm not saying anything's happening. It's just something. I was going to say, do you have any thoughts on Mullen? I do want to help answer these questions. They already started shipping out cars to Hertz, right? In the next 5 years, they may ship out 65. And actually, I have a question. Does Lucid have a Hertz deal? Or I know they have a deal, but it might just be with Saudi Arabia. Let me look at Lucid deal. Oh, and I was going to show you something else. Yeah, it's 100,000 vehicles, which is insane. It's a huge deal for them. Announces deals to be purchased up to 100,000, which is big, obviously. This was set back in April. 50,000 over the same period. Okay, so there's an initial commitment of 50,000. If, I guess, everything goes smoothly, they can actually, you know, fulfill these 50K. Then we'll talk about another 50K is basically what they're saying. So delivering up to 100,000 vehicles to Saudi Arabia, to the Saudi Arabian people there. Which I think, isn't Saudi Arabia, aren't they rich, Trippy? Or is that Dubai? Or is that in the same place? I don't know my geography. Damn.
There's
pull
rich
that up.
people in Arabia and in
They-
Dubai, that's United Arab Emirates.
Damn, you're right. My bad, King. You know, my region, I've never been good with geography, to be honest, I'm good at math, though. Like, I can do 50,000 plus 50,000 divided by 2 is 50,000, you know what I'm saying? But,
Yeah.
that's crazy. My man said, plus Elon is going to do 3-for-1 split. You think that'll be good for the market, or wouldn't it be crazy? Amazon, Google, they did splits, and it didn't really help the market, but Tesla does another split, and it just pries the market back up to 400s. Would that be out of the picture? Or not? It's crazy how Elon moves the stock market, though, is what I'm saying. What were you saying, Trippy? My bad. Didn't mean to cut you off.
You're gonna squeeze the shorts.
Elon is?
Yeah.
Isn't Elon an ape, though? I think he's low-key down in the heart, down somewhere down there. An ape, I think.
Oh yeah.
He's a big ape, actually. So don't let that fool you. He's an ape, because he was pumping Doge. He didn't pump cheap, did he? What else did he pump?
Baby Doge.
He didn't pump baby. Did he, for real? No, he just.
Yeah.
Oh no, he pumped cum. Remember cum rocket or something?
Yeah, he pumped Baby Doge too.
Oh, for real. Man, Elon's he's a character. That's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say. Elms is down to 16 cents. Hell nah. Yeah, they filed for bankruptcy. When I saw that, it was still at 50 cents, man. I should have shorted it. God damn it. I would have been up a lot. A lot. But yeah, this thing's done. It's going to zero, I guess. What else did the homie say? Polestar deal with Hertz. Right, yep. So they already started shipping. They shipped 65,000. That's also another thing that Polestar did, right? Let me check a little bit of the clout. Let's see what's going on with the clout. We got a little bit of clout. We got a little bit of clout. Okay, okay. So I think that's... Oh, I was going to show you guys the other Lucid news. I think they just started leasing some stuff on the East Coast. I think. Let me make sure. Launches Lucid Financials. What the... Yeah, here we go. I just saw this came out 8 hours ago, actually. Lucid Motors leases space expands into the East Valley. I guess it's not East Coast, it's East Valley. Lucid Group has signed a lease for more than 116,000 feet square industrial space in Temp. Where is that at? Confirmed a lease was signed in March for Lucid Motors and that John Astor of AT Real Estate represented Lucid in the deal. So he didn't really add any more news to that. And Lucid didn't comment on it either. So honestly, they should have done this leasing stuff a while ago, don't you think, Rippy?
Yeah, so
Interest rates are crazy, and they're gonna go crazy tomorrow. They should have been doing this
hear about the
like...
breaking DD right now?
No. You guys don't mind if we let Trippy pull in for a little bit? I think that's all the big news for Lucid and just in general. Shield talk and stuff, I guess, is what you're saying. It's just honestly, Trippy, we're gonna talk about how it is, right? We're not gonna just talk fluffy market forever, right? We're gonna talk about how it is, how things are gonna be, how things could be. Am I right?
Yep.
Even if it hurts, but we're just gonna be real.
Not those people that believe that PFOF doesn't affect the market.
And actually, I know some people are gonna leave, but because we're gonna get trippy with this the tinfoil, but stick around because we're gonna do some options flow. We're gonna take a look at NIO. We could. Do you mind if I run quick through NIO or nah? Should we run through NIO real quick? I know you got the breaking DD, but the market's closed, so it doesn't matter. Am I right? It's not like we can get some more options right now. So what's going on with NIO, guys? Talk to me. What's going on with NIO? You guys know what's going on with NIO? It had a huge run up today. It's up over 18%, almost 20%. Where are we at? Let me see. Yeah, insane day for NIO. Are you bullish on NIO right now, Trippy? Or are you bearish? We're gonna go to the 1 hour chart.
Puts actually.
For real? I got puts too. Damn. Were you in the Triple G Discord and you got the alerts? Damn. You must have got the alerts. Nah, I got puts, but I'm down a little bit. Just like, let me see how much I'm down actually. I like to get my puts, like, I like to get time on mine though. So usually about at least 3 weeks, about at least 350. But no, for real, let me see. I bought these at 71 cents. They're at 66 cents right now. So I'm down a little bit. Whoa, hold up. Yeah, I'm down 7%. It's not much. I got a whole month to make that back up. So we chilling right now. So honestly, what I was seeing here before we even... Tomorrow they have an event, which we'll talk about in just a little bit. I was just going to show you guys some quick TA. I kind of posted this on Twitter. Basically, what I'm seeing is a head and shoulders pattern. So if it gets rejected here at this level, then this would make it a bigger high than this one. So then this would become a head, and this would be a shoulder, and then basically this would work its way down to another shoulder. And eventually, or essentially, once it breaks this descending support here, it would be a head and shoulders, which would be the distance of this head here. And it would probably come down to around $14, $13, or even, I guess, 12. At least that's the plan. And the reason I'm pretty confident that this was kind of a fake rally, I don't really see much news coming out of China besides the lockdowns. So honestly, why would you be bullish in the current situation? You know what I'm saying? Am I right, Trippy? Like China, I'm bearish on China economy in general. So honestly, Pinduoduo, I'm bearish on it too. And this one I think had a head and shoulders pattern towards the end of the day as well. Let me see if I can pull it up. It had like a head and shoulders pattern up here. I think it's working on it, honestly, which is basically this right here. So I'm just really bearish on the economy in general. So if it can get rejected here again, right, then this would be a head and shoulders here. And then this would be the distance of the head. And then we'll probably come down to about $58. And the short term, possibly even further down. We'll kind of have to wait and see that. But really, if you guys just take a look at the chart, I mean, it just had trouble getting above $60. So it is a really good support as well, but getting underneath it is key. Holding like under 60 is going to be the main thing there. But yeah, just kind of bearish on China economy. And NIO has their launch event tomorrow. So I think what this is, honestly, it's, oh, so they announced it a day early, or I'm not sure when they announced it. I think it's going to be a buy the rumor, sell the news. So I think a huge run up into the event. So now I'm thinking selling the news tomorrow. Like, people already know about it, so you know what is there to expect, right? And it's going to be at 7 a.m. Eastern, so about an hour before market opens. So this thing's either going to gap up or it's going to gap down. But I've already got my puts. If it continues to rally, then I'll just cut my losses on NIO and take the L, basically, is what I'm going to do, right? But there's nothing else I can do on this. It's at Wednesday, June 15, 8 a.m. Eastern. Not exactly sure what all they got planned. I guess it's a product launch, so I think they're going to do new vehicles or whatever, just kind of talk about that. But with the supply chain issues, the lockdowns, I mean, it's kind of hard to be bullish is what I would say. So I think that's all I have about EVs. And I'm going to let Trippy step in with the DD. What's going on, Trippy? Damn, he dipped. Everybody dipped. Well, while we wait for Trippy, let's just check the clout. Let's see what we got in here. So somebody, oh yes, yes sir. If you guys aren't following me on Twitter, definitely consider doing that. I post like free stuff here all day. What do I mean, I try to help people out. I mean, this is obviously my opinion and stuff, so I'll be posting some funny stuff in here, I guess, too, sometimes. I just try to post some free stuff, and these are the profits I took from Red Box. What's it called? The meme pump? Yeah, I took some profits on that. I bought the calls yesterday, or the puts, I'm sorry, and we played that to the downside. Where the hell is Trippy at? He dipped. Yo, Trippy, you in here? Yeah, and then I post Unusual Wells Flow, which we'll talk about in a little bit. So I saw a lot of the 1750 puts for this week coming in for NIO. And so that really gave me some confidence to play it to the downside for tomorrow. But again, I can always be wrong and things might not work out. So just use my stuff as a reference and then do your own research. And yes, sir. That's how it is. What the hell are you doing, Trippy? He dipped, bro. He straight up dipped. It's because I didn't cover his stuff. He's pulling the mojo. He's doing a mojo on me right now. You guys, did anybody vote? Let me see how many votes we got in here. We got 5 votes. Lucid only, Polestar only, both other. So 4 people voted for Polestar only, and 1 person voted for Lucid only. Nobody voted for both, which is really weird. I thought people would be voting for both. That's really crazy. And let me see what the homie said. I believe Lucid is building a big facility in Saudi Arabia, and Polestar also is out there doing anything. Wait, what? I missed out the merger with Lucid, but definitely not missing the merger with Polestar. Yes, sir. That's how it is. That's how it is. Yeah, we can actually talk about Polestar or GGPI's price, because I think some people have been asking me about where do I see this going and stuff. And I think, what's our volume? 4 million in volume, which is not bad. It's above average. And I think our average volume has been going up recently. I think the other day, one of the guys mentioned it was like 6 million. So I plan on getting my puts actually this week, or not my puts, I'm sorry, my calls later this week. Just gonna get it a week ahead. There might be an opportunity for it to come down a little bit more, because there's really no support right now. I mean, I know it looks like there's support up here, but I think 987 might be a good support. But the bottom is probably that one that I first pointed out, which is down here, which is 975. But yeah, I'm gonna plan to get a couple calls for the July. I'm not doing anything. I think that's the only ones you can actually get now. Hey Trippy, did you come back? Straight left, my guy. Or maybe my thing stopped working. I'm gonna put the homie on mute. I'm gonna time him out real quick, just so I can play some music, and I'll bring him back when he's ready to talk, cause he's MIA right now. But what we're doing? Oh, GGPI. Let's take a look at the options flow for GGPI. We can actually take a look. Oh, look at this. This cope, my guy, it's going up. This is bullish. This is bullish. This is bullish premium coming in. This is good for GGPI. So I'm gonna be looking at the 715. I think I'm gonna do the 1250s. I gotta play it safe, guys. In this market, I don't want to take too much risks. Keep your shares. I'm keeping some shares, and then I'm gonna play the options. Okay. Hopefully we can make some profits off the options. You can either reinvest more into GGPI, wait for the dip. I think there'll be an opportunity at the $8 range. Let's be real. And yeah, and then you can get more shares. You can. I wouldn't play it to the downside. It's just too risky. What if it doesn't come down? You know. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing 1250s. They're really cheap right now. It's about 62 cents. Let's look at the IV on this really quick. Let's just take a look. We're gonna go to Market Chameleon. This is another good website. If you guys haven't used it, it's free. Just go here. You can take a look at IV. So 30-day implied volatility for GGPI, super high, which is crazy. The last time it did this was November. So I think what's happening is people are expecting a move. People are expecting it, anticipating. It's basically implied move. People are implied volatility. So people are expecting a move, and that's why the IV is going up. So people are paying a lot more for the contracts than they normally would, right? So on average, right now the IV is about 140. The IV is normally about 57. 57 to 70. 57 to 70. It's kind of around this range, but you can see it's already starting to pick up, which is last time was November, which is weird. Let's just take a look at the chart, see what happened in November. For November, so oh my god, look, check this out, y'all. Check this out. I know you guys might be thinking I'm crazy, but look, the last time the IV started spiking was what does it say, October 26, about the 1st. It was really high, and November 12, 13. That's when we had the run-ups, right? This was when we had the run 15 to 13th. So the real move was on the 12 and 15th, right? Let's go back to the IV here. This is the 16th, so it already had crushed, but you can see it started climbing like up to these higher levels here. It really has stayed at this level for the most part, but yeah, this is basically, I don't want to say it's a leading indicator. It's not leading us to telling us that it's a move, but in this case I feel like it is, because the stock, so the IV is already pumped, right? But the stock hasn't moved, so it's like the IV was pulling up on us, right? But the stock hasn't moved yet. So I think that's, I'm just out here guessing, right? And so maybe I should have got the calls a lot sooner. Maybe I should have got them last week before the IV pump, but I think data was going to kill me anyway. So I'm going to get some calls after we hear from Jerome Daddy Powell, see what he's got to say, and then we'll go from there, you know? But really, no TA here. I mean, can you really TA a SPAC right now? It's at $10. What can I tell you guys? That's why I haven't really been making any videos either, because, you know, I'm going to keep things real, and if I don't have anything to say on it, then I'm not going to waste your time, you know what I'm saying? Yesterday's prizes are not today's prices. Let me just check for a little bit of what's going on Twitter. Nothing's going on. Markets are closed. Biden's mandates for increased production of ethanol. Yeah, this is bad. So just make sure this is just more tinfoil stuff, but they're killing the gas. They're trying to suppress the gas prices by doing ethanol. So they're trying to bring the, but it's going to be bad for your car. So try not to do gas with more ethanol, because it's like really bad for your vehicle somehow. It's like alcohol is what Trippy was saying. So yes, sir. Okay, anyway, so the IV has pumped. Let's just take a look at some of the options just to get an idea what's going on. The 17th, don't even look at the 17s. I mean, they expire this week. Merger's not till next week. All this is just dead premium in my opinion. So don't even look at this chain. I would look at the 715s, and these are the ones that have the most volume. These have 3.1K volume. Yo, what's up? Live, laugh, love. Why GGPI looks like barcode? I think it's just people just are waiting, honestly. I think that's what it is. And so what it looks like is people are just buying and selling, like the algorithms. So there's like nobody, like no human traders actually trading this. It's just the computer just buying and selling the same share. Well, not the same share, but you know, just buying back and forth basically. There's like no actual human interaction, I think is what a like simple way to put it. And actually, let's take a look at the warrants. I might be interested in getting some warrants, you guys. Let's see where they're at. They're near the lows too, my guy. Sheesh. Yeah, I might get a couple warrants. The warrants are risky, but it's a quick way to double up. Like, you buy them for $1.70, they go up to $3.87, and you already made your money. So for the November pump, they went up to $7. So that's like a 4x almost, 3x. So I would be, these are obviously risky, the warrants, because if the merger doesn't go through, then you're basically GG'd. Yo, Trippy, are you back? I can hear you in the background. You're out there being quiet. Yo, what up? One second. Let me... Hey, you back or what's up?
Yep.
Alright, we got Trippy back. Man, you dipped or what? What happened? You got really quiet back there. They're asking... You had to go take a shit?
No, I have to go do something.
Okay. Hey, we got a question from one of the subscribers. Why GGPI start looks like it's barcoded? Do you know why stocks barcode sometimes?
Yeah, because the algos can't control. They can't control it no more with the buy-in orders and sell orders and stuff like that.
Damn, that's deep. That's not really what I was thinking. I was just saying that the algos are just buying and selling back and forth to each other. There's no human trading. It's just all computers.
Yeah,
People are just...
didn't I say that?
Nah, you said some weird shit. I don't know what you said.
I said that.
You did? Oh shit! He backed me up. He backed me up. Yes, so that's what I was thinking. But I think people are just waiting. You know what I'm saying? Why? If I have $100 right now, why am I gonna go buy 10 shares of GGPI? And not bag hold. That's not the right word. But just, you know, waste a whole week with where I could be like using that $100 somewhere else and make it into 120, right? And then I come back to GGPI before the merger date, and now I have 120. So now I buy 12 shares instead of 10 shares. So in the meantime, I think people are just somewhere else. You know, the volume, that's what I'm saying. The volume's not there. Like, it is there, but I think it's just computer volume, or I don't know what it is, short volume, whatever it is. It's not human. It's not real. I don't know. I'll be doing so much tinfoil though, so some of the stuff, don't listen to me. Hold up. Do you think it can go up after merger in this market conditions? True opinion. Well, the merger is not going to happen till after Powell speaks. After Powell speaks, we're going to get a better idea of what we're doing with the market, what's going on with everything. I think we'll get a more clear direction. Friday's also a big expiration date, so like a lot of money is going to either expire worthless or expire in the money, and obviously maybe calls like some hedging going into the week after, basically. So a lot of the big events are this week, and luckily the merger is not till next week. So I guess Go ahead, Trippy. You were gonna say something? I gotta text my brother back. Go ahead. You gonna say something or did you leave?
No, I wasn't gonna say anything.
You had something. Come on, King. Say it.
Regarding what?
I don't know.
The
I didn't get that far. Oh, do you think it can go up after merger in this market condition? True opinion.
Yes, I said yes.
Yeah, but you gotta follow up. You gotta say
I said
yes.
yes, but I say yes because I do believe this is a good thing, and investors and maybe
Mm-hmm.
big companies will start to pile in. But
Big
the algorithm
companies.
market, I do believe it can go back down. So if you do make some money on some calls, maybe it would be safe to buy some puts as well after.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So what I was thinking is make the money with the options, and then you can buy more shares if you want. You know, I wouldn't buy puts, but Trippy does things different. He makes more money than me, so he knows how to play it both ways. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, I appreciate everybody showing up. Oh, we didn't even cover. I. What you want to talk about your stuff, right? I
Yeah.
didn't mean to keep this long, but go ahead. Go on.
Oh
If you guys
no,
have
it's
any questions, put them in the chat, right? If you have questions, stock market questions, GGPI questions, Lucid questions, Rivian. I mean, we can. I mean, I can do anything, boy. Let me see. My brother hit me up again. Hey, what's up, man? They hitting up my. They blowing up the phone right now, boy. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, and do me a favor, just hit the like button. Yeah, help me out with the channel again. Check out the links in the description. What's up, Trippy? What's next? Tell them to hit the like button for GGG, for Triple G, for G.
the like button, guys. Come on now.
Come on now. I mean, I don't ask for nothing. But no, I don't mind asking questions or answering questions. What's up?
I said for real.
Real, come on, man. Come on now. Uh, oh, we got a serious question now. Where do you see Polestar long term, like 2030? So
Zero.
tinfoil hat, we're not gonna make it to 2030, right, Trippy? But realistic, I think it'll still be around just because of Volvo. If it didn't have Volvo, it'd be hard to like believe in something hard long term with the current economy. Sorry, my bad. But with Polestar having some nice backing, so it's crazy too though, because there's a lot of companies out there that actually have solid backing. So Lucid's got the Saudi Arabia, like one of the homies mentioned. What else? Polestar has Volvo. Tesla, I don't really, do they have solid funding from somebody? I mean, they just have a huge dedicated community at this point and a huge following, and they're already taking a huge market share, but I don't think they have a big funding. I mean, aside from Elon, he's hella rich, but
Mm-hmm.
uh, what's the other one? Ford. You think Ford will go bankrupt?
Nah, but I think it couldn't go to zero by 2030.
Who can?
Ford.
You think it can
Yeah.
by 2030? Short term, it won't go bankrupt, but long term, it can.
Yeah.
What about other manufacturers like Toyota and Honda and Mercedes and BMW? What do you think about them?
I think everything's going to zero at one point
Come
by
on, for real?
20.
Damn. So it's like that?
Mm-hmm.
Where'd
Just
you get
like
the
that.
DD for that? Is that how you
Um,
really feel right now?
Agenda 2030.
Okay. So this is the tinfoil part. Live, laugh, love. Go ahead. Tell us the tinfoil. And then I want to know your price target for Polestar in 2030 for both scenario. Tinfoil and no tinfoil.
So my price target would be zero.
With tinfoil, right?
Yep.
And no tinfoil?
Let's see. Oh, okay. I would say 70.
70? Damn, that's a lot of money, bro.
You think so?
Yeah, 2030 is actually a long ass time from here, though. So, was that 7 years? My
Yep.
man said, "Who will make cars?" Well, his tinfoil is basically that the world's coming to an end. Is that right? There's some
Hmm.
super tinfoil. What's going on with the tinfoil, Trippy? You gotta enlighten us with the
All
tinfoil.
going down. Buy your puts. Come on now.
Buy the puts and what else? With your what's the
Stock up.
tinfoil?
Stock up.
Oh, get the gold, right? Everything's gonna be in the
Buy
black market.
gold. Yep.
What do you
Buy
guys think
whatever.
about that? What do you guys think about tinfoil, Trippy? Is it making sense? I think I don't know. It's crazy because he's been talking about some heat waves and stuff, and now I'm actually getting some alerts about heat waves in my state and stuff, which is I felt like it was nonsense the whole time, and now it's like actually becoming a thing. Am I right, Trippy?
Yep. It's all by design.
All by design. But we're not gonna try to get politics in here. There's a couple DD things you wanted me to plug up. What is it? Oh, here it is. Actually, speaking about heat waves, here's one of the things he plugged up earlier. Well, just right now. You want to talk about this? Have you guys experienced heat waves in your states? Or you guys have even heard about this? Experienced severe droughts, heat waves, like super hot? More than 65 million Americans are experiencing severe exceptional droughts. I want to know if anybody, we're going to kind of diverge, but if you guys have Polestar any questions, then put them in the comments. We don't really have many people in here anymore. We never did, but it's a small channel. It's a small channel. As of May 31st, around 90 million Americans were affected by droughts, while more than 65 extreme droughts. So semi-droughts, 90 million, and then another 65 even harsher circumstances is the word.
Damn.
So what? Okay, so I actually have a question for you, Trippy. What are you supposed to do in this situation? Is it gonna cause wildfires? What else? A lot of downstream effects comes with droughts like this,
It's gonna cause our food supply to go down.
right? Because all the harvest
Our
and stuff's gonna go bad,
nature, everything to hurt. It's gonna hurt Mother Nature.
right? But as far as like my household and my electronics and stuff, what do I need to do, and what
Light
can
out.
happen? Huh?
Oh man, you just gotta prepare. Make sure you got candles, battery, flashlights, a power generator.
Mm-hmm.
And yep, that's it. And a bunker if you can.
A bunker? What is that?
A bunker?
Yeah, is that the underground shit?
Yeah.
Or is that the drug making shit? Come on.
No, a bunker can be used for when they drop the nukes on us and shit.
Oh shit. Hey, so this is saying about water supplies too. Water reservoirs, wildfire damages already taking toll on tons of residents and businesses.
Damn, GG.
GG, it's over, boys. But no, I'm serious. Actually, I've been getting notification here. Let's see, a number of states, including California, Colorado, New Mexico, Utah, Arizona. They're going through some water crisis. Emergency states droughts. Drought states of emergency. Never heard that. And they're allocating resources to manage their water supply. Basically. So now we're doing like some tinfoil stuff here, but that's just stuff that nobody wants to talk about, am I right? Now we just gotta find a way to relate it to the stock market. How do I make money with this information, Trippy? You buy puts on wheat or you buy calls because there's a short demand. So that would make it go up, no?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Water stocks, like water. What are some good water stocks? Coca-Cola or no? Water consumption has
We
continued
could
to.
Yeah, for sure.
So this is crazy. There's obviously water restrictions, but during the summer there's gonna be more water consumption because it's gonna be hot. You need to stay hydrated. So water levels are gonna be at an all-time low. The demand's gonna still be there. So there might be an opportunity here for some stocks, don't you think? What are you thinking? Population growth. You got anything to say on population growth, or we can move on to the next article and then we'll wrap up the video. Unless you got anything else to say, Trippy. Fire and water. It's the main thing here. Extreme danger.
I
Extreme
do
today.
have one other DD, I think, if I can send it. Let me see.
Okay. So I thought this was like just some tinfoil stuff and some doofus bogus stuff from Trippy, like, you know, some trolling. But this is actually, huh? What's up?
Oh wait, there's another one.
What's up?
I sent
No,
another
but
DD.
this stuff is real. This is stuff that's true. You know, it's weird. Oh, is it the other one down here? The Wall Street Silver?
Yep.
I bet. We're gonna pull up this one and then should wrap up the video, right? Or do you have anything else to add? Mortgage real estate hit 6.28% today. Real estate market about to get interesting. What's going on here, guys? What do we have to say about this?
It's all
Anybody?
about Rumble.
Huh? Rumble? You said rumble or crumble? Everything's about to get crumbling? 30-year
Yeah.
fixed mortgage rates? What is this? Real estate? Let's just read some of the comments. No one is going to sell their house with a 2%, 5% loan. Inventory will be low. Oh, yeah. I have not seen any meaningful drop in prices yet. Yeah, so nobody's going to really want to sell their houses when there's no other house to buy. And if you're going to buy a new house, you got to now pay a huge interest rate, right? Whereas like in 2020 or whatever, you're paying like what, 2%, 1% for a fixed rate. Now people are paying almost like, I wouldn't say 6x, but like about 4x, you know, on average. People are paying 4x in interest rates. So people that got locked in with those 30 years, I mean, they're chilling. People that are now trying to buy a house, that's hell expensive. Like what is that? What are the rates before 2020? Trippy, do you know? Weren't they like at 3 or 4?
Yes.
Let me pull it up, actually. Let's look at the historic interest rates for real estate. Interest rate, real estate. Does anybody know? Historically. We could maybe find a nice little chart. Give us an idea. Mortgage rate chart. Where's the 30 years? There's nothing there, boy. Mortgage rates, average trends. I need charts, man. I need pictures. 2020 first 2 years were roller coaster rides. By December 30, plummeted to a record of 2.68. Let me zoom in for you guys. Okay, so this is the interest rates for real estate or mortgage rates, whatever you want to call it. It was 2.68%, and then between 2021, it was about around the same on average. So 2022 though, we're talking about 5.3% as of May 2022. So basically, if you look at a percentage, almost double. Your interest rate has doubled. If you're getting a house in 2020 versus now, you're paying double interest basically on your home. So before 2020 though, on average, we had a low of around 3.35 2012, and then lower rate of 3.35 is what they're saying. Oh, same one. Yeah, so about 3.45 to 4.87 from 10 years, like a range of this in within 10 years. So what do you think here, Trippy? I mean, we're still paying, what are we at now?
I believe the
5.3?
housing market will crash soon. Those who make their bread and have money enjoy the freaking Black
8
Friday
years?
sale, you know?
Wait, so how do you prepare for this, Trippy? You say those that have money. What do you mean here? Go on.
if you have assets to, I mean, if you have money to buy everything when everything is low, you could,
Double up.
buy and make a flip or something.
Yeah, sorry, my brother's texting me real quick. 1 second. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. My man
Yep.
said, "Who will make cars?" Oh, he already left, I think. Nobody had questions. Nobody had any other questions. We're talking about interest rates. Let's just say today it was 6.28 versus the average. Let's just say the high before 2020, 4.87.
Mhm.
It's 1.41 divided by 4.87. It's gone up 28%. You're paying 28% more in interest than you were in 2019. And that's on the high end. So obviously it kind of fluctuates between 3.45 and 4.87. And you know, that's a big jump, I think. 30% almost. That's on the conservative side. Like, that may be hella nice on you guys. If you were to do the lower end, it would be 6.28 minus 3.45 divided by 3.45. It would be an 82% increase in interest from the 3.45. You know what I'm saying? You see where I'm picking up these numbers?
Yeah, I'm
So,
following.
you following? You picking up what I'm putting down?
Yeah.
So here's just the history. Interest rates were 16% in 1981. Did something happen in 1980? Was there a stock market crash or something? It's
They
19
changed the fuck, I forgot.
nothing happened in 1981. Oh well. Well, I think, what is that? Is that gonna be it, Trippy? You got any more DD? You got anything to say to the folks, people at home watching that got you on the big screen right now? You got Lucid Rivian news. We talked about the prototype. And if you guys have any questions after watching this later, feel free to put in the comments any questions. Love to hear back from you guys. Make sure you hit the like button for us. What else, Trippy? We covered a lot today, I think, and we were kind of fast on it, which is good. It's only been an hour stream.
Yeah, it was a good week, to be honest.
Oh, you guys, you want to talk about the stock market real quick before we head out? What are you seeing on SPY? What are you thinking about?
Your future put positions.
What's up? Oh, you want to talk about future puts?
Yep.
So right now I have NIO puts. Go ahead, go ahead. Sorry, you're breaking up. You're breaking up.
I'm just asking, what are you looking at?
Oh, I have my positions right now. Short on China. I have puts on Pinduoduo. I have puts on NIO. I closed my puts on Baba for about 60% profit. They were up over 100% yesterday, but my dumbass did not take profits, and I ended up like missing out, leaving some money on the table. But it's all right because it kind of held up, I think. Let me see if it held up. Yeah, it held up. So they would have been, yeah. So I think I did good by just taking my profits before I went red. Right now, I only have 4 positions. I have Pinduoduo, NIO puts, Lucid puts. Let me see what else I have on here. Oh, I had the red box, but I think I closed those out. Let me see there's another position I had. No, that's it. Just have Lucid. I have NIO puts and I have Pinduoduo puts. Everything is a month. It's not a month. Everything's a month out though, so I have plenty of time to either cut my stuff or either double down. So just keep a little bit of cash because you never know what's gonna happen. NIO, like I said, I see a potential head and shoulders pattern.
When does Power speak?
Tomorrow. He speaks like I think he speaks tomorrow. Yeah, I'm expecting a drop overnight or something. Just kind of start bleeding off. It looks like it's in this ascending wedge here, like right here. Shit. So it could go to the top end of this, but like this top end of $20, but market conditions, I don't see it unless they have like some really big news on their event tomorrow. I think maybe a retouch of the 1750. For Pendual Duel, what did I see on Pendual Duel? Really not much. I'm just bearish on China. I picked one of them out of the box, and I got some puts on this one. And I did see some bearish flow. Let me just pull that up for you guys. Did you end up signing up for Unusual Whales Trippy or not? I know you had the phone and stuff.
I have the app and I could see the flow on my phone.
Oh, bad. Then you good. Then you chilling. I think at the end of the day, I saw like some bearish puts on Pendulum Duel, but I'm gonna pull them up. Oh, they were selling calls. They were selling all these calls here. All these are bearish. All these are bearish.
Bearish signs, right?
Yeah, bearish.
GG?
And actually, huh?
That's just bearish, right, brother?
Yes, sir, brother.
We're gonna make it out one day, right? One day we're gonna be cruising with our options and stock money, right?
Yes, sir. Let me show you.
We might do a meet and greet for all of y'all fans, right?
For all the G's out there. What are you thinking?
See Greg, Francine,
Francine, who else?
Mojo.
Mojo, he might not make it. He needs a car, bro. He ain't got a car right now. Come on now, you know this. Why you gonna roast a man like that?
Oh shit!
You know that man ain't got no car.
Fuck, my bad.
Come on now.
At least I got a 2022 Corolla.
Is it the sports? Is it the extreme sports pack or what's up?
No, I believe it's like the lowest tier.
Damn.
But,
hey, but it gets you around places. Mojo can't do that right now.
I used to spend like 15, 20 bucks on gas, and now I have to spend
like 40. Oh, 30?
Yep, 30 bucks on my tank.
I'm spending like
every 2 weeks. So every 2 weeks.
I spent like 45 on just like half a tank right now. It's killing me, man. Like luckily I'm working from home, so I don't have to go out as much, but I still gotta go like to therapy, still gotta go do some other stuff.
Yeah, dude. Sometimes you gotta do some errands.
I gotta run the errands, you know. I gotta get groceries. You know, I gotta eat. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
But yeah. Hope you say you want to do the meet and greet. You want to do the meet and greet in Florida or in Chicago, or in Baltimore?
Wherever the money's at.
Wherever
the money's at, because when we do this meet and greet, guys, we're gonna be making money that second.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Is it gonna be after the recession or before the recession? Should we just ball out before the recession?
During the recession, the people who make big with the stocks and options, they're gonna be the ones living good.
Yes, sir. And they're gonna get a house for low rates. No. You know what's crazy? They're pumping the interest rates just so they can bring them back down. Come on, man. Come on. Y'all better than this.
Another pump by the government, just like how they did it with oil. Come on now.
Come on now. They know better than this. It's a game to them. You know what's crazy? As soon as they finish their little speech, I'm getting a little I'm throwing a little bit of politics out here, but as soon as they finish their little meet and greet, their little vacation or their speech, they go back to their big homes. You know what I'm saying? Come on. People still out there starving, and they're expecting people are expecting answers. People want to know.
Risen, and then they go on to raise the politicians' salaries. Come on now.
That's what I'm saying. And like as soon as they get done there with their everything's gonna be all right. Don't worry, people. We got your back. They're not worried about things because as soon as they get off that podium, they're gonna go on their jet. They're gonna be chilling. They're gonna be on cruise. You know,
they're gonna be putting calls and puts that they already know.
Exactly. Nancy Pelosi. We know a couple of people out there. It's just greed, bro. It's just dirty. That dirty plays, man.
Yep.
But you know, it's sad because the people expecting to hear from these leaders, they're the ones that are out here starving. You know, they're expecting answers. They want change. They want. You know,
well, they actually think that these guys care about us, first of all.
Mm-hmm.
And then, that's it.
Right. So before I go, guys, I'm gonna wrap up this and show you guys some put activity on NIO, the 750s. Like I said, I posted that on Twitter. You guys make sure to follow me on Twitter. Give me a follow if you guys want to get some free information. Check out the links. Got the unusual wells if you want to sign up for that. And send me a
Let's not
tweet.
forget that Evergrande is removed from all exchanges.
It is?
Yep.
Damn. What does that mean? How are the futures? Are the futures up?
It's people are trying to get their cash out the banks and they can't.
Oh no. For real?
Yep. I think I sent like a DD like yesterday about it.
Damn. That's crazy. Let me check the cloud real quick, see what's going on in the cloud of media. Lucid Rivian going bankrupt. Let's go. I don't know, man. I'm not gonna say that. Light Society DMB. honestly, I don't know if that lying to me is bad business. What stocks are you watching tomorrow? Oil is not going down.
Oil's going down. What did I
Fuck.
say, bro? The government.
Yeah, well, this was 11 hours ago.
Dumping. Dude, it's gonna happen. Get your puts. I told you, the government is pumping shit.
Yeah, it's fake, bro. It's fake economy. Every anime fan can relate. Says death right next to their name.
When we die, we wake up.
Huh?
When we die, we're gonna wake up.
Damn. Yo, my man here. I gotta add the homie real quick. Shamu, is this you? My man's a hardcore Celtics fan for some reason.
Sorry, Curry in 6, right?
It's gonna be over soon, man. Pain will be over soon.
They're gonna finish it in Boston right now, tomorrow.
Hey, look, Boston Celtics 2022 World Champs. What if they don't make it, bro? What's gonna happen here? Come on, man. You gotta wait till after. God damn. Anyway, man, that's gonna be so. Time is really gonna fly like this. Oh, damn. What is that? Is that Will Smith's kid? Who is this? Trippy.
Izzy's daughter, I think. Yeah.
Oh fuck, that look like Jalen fucking Smith. Am I right? Or no? Damn, now I'm feeling like an asshole a little bit. Let me close that out. Alright guys, well that's gonna wrap up the video. Do you have anything to say, Trippy, before we head out? We ain't got no viewers in here no more. Time to wrap it up. I got a big day tomorrow. We all got a big day tomorrow.
Eyes to the sky, be vigilant. Fuck
Yes, sir.
Obama.
Ooh, I didn't say that part, but yep, that's gonna wrap up today's video. If you guys have any questions watching this later, drop it in the comments and I'll try to get to you guys. And do me a favor, hit the like button and
Sorry,
check out the
guys.
links.
I'm sorry. I do my best to get the DD, but the DD that we've been talking about for a month is barely now coming out to y'all,
Yes,
to
sir.
the public. So
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna do my best for next show to bring really solid DD and new
Yes,
DD
sir.
too, because the DD has just been follow-ups and updates and just
Mhm.
cover-ups that we've been talking about in the past. You know,
We've been on this, right? Am I right?
been on it. That's why the DD has been a little bit dry. You know.
Yes, sir. We were already talking about heat waves. We were already talking about oil spike. What else? COVID lockdowns. Come on
Blackout.
now. Blackouts.
And
What else? Home.
wheat,
Now what we didn't
crops,
cover?
plant-
Yes, sir. Wheat, commodities. We were covering this. The stuff people don't want to talk about. We were in here. Am I right?
doing the dirty work here, man.
Yes, sir. It ain't much, but it's the
Do
Lord's
what's
work.
like.
Anyway, you guys check out the channel if you guys want to see some other stuff. We're gonna sign out because I'm trying to eat. It's late. I got a big day tomorrow. But if you guys found value, make sure you hit the like button. And anything else, Trippy? What's up?
What you doing tomorrow?
Tomorrow? What's tomorrow? Wednesday. Oof, I'm gonna be busy tomorrow, y'all. I got
Alright.
Jerome
Bullish-
Powell speaking, but I'm gonna be in the
bullish-
Discord, so
alright.
check that out.
Bullish or bearish for tomorrow?
Man, I gotta lean bearish. Just because I got puts. I gotta lean bearish. It's really.
Do a poll.
I have a poll. All right, let's run the poll real quick before Oh no, nobody's in here anymore. I was just gonna run the poll. I said investing in Lucid and Polestar. Lucid only got 8%. Polestar only 75%. Sheesh. Both 17%. They kind of in the middle. They deciding which one they want. And then 0 said other. So make sure you place your votes in before I close up this poll. I need to get the correct information out to the public. So if you haven't
Close
voted,
that shit. Ain't nobody gonna vote.
huh?
No, nothing.
Now say that again for the people in
I'm
the
just
back.
saying, close it. No one's gonna vote.
Oh, we got a couple votes. We got one more vote coming in here. Come on now, don't give up on the man.
Oh shit. Okay, my bad. The clout.
The Cloud, we got one more vote. We got 13 now. He voted. It looks like he voted Polestar. Is that right? Put it in the chat, because I don't know who's in here right now.
I voted Polestar.
Ah, come on, that's you?
I was the second vote for Polestar.
The information's all fucked now, because it's biased. Come on, man, you fucking up the data. Fucking up the data. All right, next stream we're gonna do a clean poll. No influencers are gonna vote, and we're gonna get the right information to you guys as soon as we can. Am I right, Trippy?
Yes, sir. And
Alright,
if you want breaking live, DD, go follow the Twitter.
Follow the Twitter. Follow the Discord is free. Make sure you check out the Unusual Whales 5% off. Hey, we got Ricardo Ruiz in here. What's going on? He said Polestar, but he didn't add nothing to it. You gotta add some context to that, my brother.
He's talking about the poll, the answers.
Oh, he's talking about the answers. Oh, I got you, bro. He voted for Polestar. Let's go, Ricardo Ruiz. You got anything to say to my fan out there, Ricardo Trippy? Smoke good weed. What else?
Yo, Ricardo, I'm about to talk up for you. This one's for you.
Oh shit. He's doing the whatchamacallit? What are you doing?
I'm gonna vape.
He's gonna vape for you, bro. You want it? Should I turn the camera on so you can see it? Hell no. You can't. Hey, you could screen it. You could screen share it. I'll plug it up for Ricardo.
For you.
Hey, blow it into the mic so we can hear it at least. At least do it for the people.
All right, bet.
And my man, he's adventurous. What's the word? What's the word, Trippy? You don't give a fuck. Damn. Yeah, we heard that. That shit came out like a static shock, bro.
Oh,
He said Polestar 100%. Yeah, he's not playing.
That was that Build Back Better plan.
Yes, sir. Hey, Ricardo's not playing. He's 100% Polestar. He said, stop with the bullshit, Lucid. We in here with Polestar only, baby. Did you guys hear about all the information here? What's your long-term price action, Ricardo? Now we in here again with the serious questions. They were interviewing me. Now we're gonna interview the people. How about that? What do you think, Trippy? You got time for the interviews or not? Or should we wrap it up?
Oh yeah, I got time.
Let's go, Ricardo. What's the long-term goal here, man? You swing trading? You got the options? You got the shares only? What's going on? What's the plan? Break it down for us.
You went to AIM?
And no filters needed. We in here as real as we can. If you see this going to 8, let me know. You see this going to 75, 74.
Give me the calls that you're getting.
Yeah, let us know what the chain, what's the active chains. We obviously it looks like the 715s is where the bread's gonna be at. Even the 15s hella bullish actually. Look at this, $15 strikes.
Live stream. Forgot to say. I'm gonna turn a $50 options account to.
Oh, that's right.
A couple grand.
Yes, sir. We were just talking about that.
10K.
10K.
Turn that bitch to 10K. And
10K.
I'm only gonna do it with my plays and GG plays, and then we're gonna show y'all that we got good.
Let's go. That's bullish. Hey, if y'all want to join the Discord, I mean, don't. If you don't want to, it's cool. But we in here vibing. It's the vibes chat. You know what it is. Hey, I might make a little channel for you if you want to plug in all the plays or whatever. Are you for real gonna make that the 10K?
Yeah, we could it could be like
Trade alerts. I see. I did my trade alerts here. Yo, peep
yeah.
this right here. I got these DraftKings puts on 6-9. What was this? 6-9. Takashi 6-9. Thursday.
Yeah,
I got these puts. I got these
I
puts.
saw you making good money with DraftKings. the
Let's
other
go,
day.
baby. Yeah, I did 130% on these bad boys. I bought these for 52 cents. I sold them for $2. What the hell? I sold them for. Did I sell them for $2? Oh no, I
Yeah.
made bread. I made bread on those though. These right now, it's a work in progress. Okay, this one's like it's gonna take time. I gotta nurture. I gotta feed this baby. I gotta nurture her. But it's the NIO $15 puts for July 15. Stop sleeping on your boy. All right.
Uh-oh,
Yeah,
Elon just tweeted crypto night.
Kryptonite. What is it?
Uh-oh. What's gonna happen?
Let's go. Let's go to the charts. Bitcoin. BT. I don't give a fuck about futures, my guy. We're just trying to see Bitcoin right now. I don't care about it in the future. 21K down 1%. That's just because they restarted the night. You think? Is that right? Bro, this thing's insane. The Bitcoin. What do you guys think about Bitcoin? I think Ricardo Ruiz, he dipped. He didn't want to give us the price action. He didn't want to give us the options. He didn't want to give us the options play. Come on, Ricardo. We need to know the option play, man. Come on, brother.
Ricardo.
Come on, bro. He left us hanging. I was just trying to get some option plays.
Hell
I'm trying to make bread like you. God damn.
Yeah.
Come on, Ricardo. Hey, he fucked us. He said, fuck y'all. I'm making my money. He said we need to pay for his Discord. He wants us to pay for his Discord. Come on. Send us a Discord link, Ricardo. We're trying to join.
We'll buy out your Discord server.
Hell yeah. We're gonna acquire that bit. How much? Well, we gotta pay a little bit of premium though on it, because that's how acquisitions work. It's a buyout. Ricardo Rodriguez.
I'll give you one Amy share when we squeeze.
Oh shit, that's 100K. He's gonna give you 100K.
I'm saying.
Bro, that's worth 100K. Right now,
money don't mean shit to me.
Bro, he's got like, how many shares of AMC you got? That's just going to the moon, right?
Yeah. I
Bro.
got a lot, bro.
AMC is like gold, bro. Am I right? Or no?
Yeah, they tried saying that Bitcoin was the gold, but nah.
The real gold is AMC. Bro, this price, look, don't let this price fool you, bro. They need to add a couple zeros on this one. Am I right, Trippy?
Hell yeah. 1K a share.
Like, how many more zeros they need to add this to make it right?
At
Tell
least
Kenny.
two
Yeah.
more.
Tell Kenny to add a couple more zeros and we good. We'll let him off the hook. You feel me?
I'll let you know about the Amy DD next time. I gotta watch a
Oh,
couple.
shit. And actually, one of the homies, what's his name? Luna Rising. He was posting some good DD on here. I might need to look at the options for Amy because it might be doing a little move, some violent stuff soon.
Amy getting a little rebel.
A little feisty. Yeah, a little feisty, man.
Amy, calm down.
Calm
Wait, don't
down. Calm up. How about that? Come up. Nah. Damn, Ruiz straight up left. We were gonna buy his Discord. What happened with Bitcoin though? Come on, let's wrap this up. I'm trying to go do some stuff.
tweeted crypto night.
That's it?
Yeah, that's what he tweeted.
Come on, he's sleeping on us right now. We're trying to get the pump going. I can't believe Ruiz straight dipped. We're trying to get the plate. Did he say crypto night or crypto winter? Damn. Crypto night. Oh, this guy's replying. Damn, Ruiz straight up left us hanging. We're trying to get the GGPI play. Like, what's chain? What's the long term? What else what were we trying to get from him? We're just trying to pick at his brain, you know? Trying to get the GGPI long term view. What's some supply chain issues that we could run into? What's the option change looking like? What's the plan? But I think he dipped. I think we're gonna have to dip too, huh?
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah, he left us hanging, bro. Come on, Ruiz. We're gonna buy the Discord too. We're gonna buy it out. Acquired it. He was gonna have to release the press release like, yo, my Discord's getting acquired by GGG Squo. Nah, my Discord's dead. But it's because this is Bitcoin actually. Let's chart up some Bitcoin real quick. Yeah, it looks like it's about to break down again. God damn. You see that? You see that, Trippy? Bear flagging like a mug. About to break down again. About a couple hours, around 1 o'clock. Looks like something's gonna happen. More violent moves are coming. I doubt it breaks up. Damn. Well, I think that's gonna wrap it up, folks. I hope you enjoyed the live stream. And if you didn't, let me know what I need to do, what I need to change. We're here for the people. Am I right, Trippy?
Yeah, we are.
Anything else you gotta add to that? Or are we about to head out? Hey, who y'all got tomorrow? Or wait, no, it's not tomorrow, is it? When's the game? NBA game. Is it tomorrow?
Yeah, tomorrow.
Oh shit. No, it's not tomorrow. It can't be tomorrow. No, tomorrow's Wednesday. It's Thursday. Yeah, Thursday. Who y'all got? You got the GSW?
I got Golden State's gonna finish
Yeah.
it.
I think so. They're gonna wrap stuff up. They're packing up the last of their things so they can go on to 2023 season. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
But all right, guys, I appreciate y'all. Make sure to hit the like button for me. And if you guys have any questions, put them in the comments. I'll get to them as soon as possible, I promise. And check out the links, Unusual Whales. You won't regret it. I think it's a great platform. And if you use my discount, then you get some discount or whatever. And helps out the channel too. So, yep, love you guys. And take it away, Trippy. We signing out.
Let's not forget the El Salvador president thinks that Bitcoin's going to, or no, yeah, is it Honduras president or El Salvador president?
El Salvador.
Whatever. He said that it's going to 100K by the end of the year. Take it as you will.
Yeah. So buy Bitcoin or buy gold?
I would say buy some gold.
I would just buy AMC because that's worth gold. You know what I'm saying? But I'm not gonna get in that. I'm not gonna get involved with AMC.
True.
True. All right, y'all have a good one. And peace. We're signing out. Keep moving forward. Peace. Hey, say bye. Say bye, Trippy.
Peace out.
Peace out. Yo, you still in here?